Every time the RBI announces a policy, one phrase shows up and everyone just moves on. Neutral stance retained. But what does that actually mean? And why does it matter to someone who isn't an economist? What is a monetary policy stance? The RBI has one big job: keep inflation under control without killing growth. To do that, it uses interest rate as its main tool. But beyond the rate itself, the RBI also signals its direction. That signal is called the stance. Think of it like a driver hand position on a gear stick. Accommodative mean the hand is ready to shift down. Cheaper money, more growth. Hawkish mean the hand is ready to shift up. Tighter money, control inflation. Neutral means both hands are on the steering wheel. One shift plan, just watching the road. So, what exactly is neutral? Neutral stance means the RBI is not committing to anything right now. It is not saying rates will go up. It is not saying rates will come down. It is saying we are watching. The data will decide. In April 2026, the RBI held the repo rate 5.25% and kept this neutral stance. The reason was straightforward. Inflation was creeping up because of the crude oil price, but growth was still holding. Cutting rates could have stoked more inflation. Raising rates could have slowed an economy that was already dealing with external pressure from the West Asia conflict. So, the RBI did what a careful institution does. When two things are pulling in opposite direction, it waited. Why does the stance matter beyond the rate? Here is why the stance matter more than people think. The repo rate is what the RBI actually does today. The stance is what the market thinks the RBI will do tomorrow. If the stance is accommodative, bond yields tend to soften, home loan rents tend to ease, and debt funds tend to do well. If the stance is hawkish, the opposite happens. A neutral stance keeps everyone in a holding pattern. Bond yield stays roughly where they are. Banks don't rush to cut lending rates. It is the RBI essentially saying, do not price in a rate cut just yet. What does this mean for a regular investors? For someone with an FD, it means rates aren't going to fall dramatically anytime soon. Lock in what you can while rates are still reasonable. Short to medium duration funds make more sense than long duration bets right now. Foreign equity investors, neutral stance is generally steady ground. No aggressive tightening means no sharp blow to corporate borrowing cost. Next time you hear neutral stance retained, you'll know what exactly it means for your investment. Follow Chola Securities for more such information.
This content is for informational purposes only. None of the companies, products, or sectors mentioned are recommendations.